Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I want to talk about something I get asked all the time: how to start your first business, especially when you have no money. Well, I started my very first business with exactly $0. And in this video, I'm going to show you the exact framework so you can do it too. Now, let's bust a huge myth right from the start. Most people believe you need a mountain of cash, a flawless 60-page business plan, and a decade of experience before you can even think about starting. Honestly, that's the biggest lie that's keeping so many talented people, maybe even you, from ever getting started. It's designed to make it seem complicated, but the truth is, you only need 3 simple things to get off the ground. Forget the fancy MBA theories for a second and listen up. First, you need a skill that people will actually pay for. And I promise you, you have one. Can you write compelling emails? Design simple graphics? Are you great at organizing closets? Can you teach someone a language or how to play an instrument? Maybe you're good at cleaning or walking dogs or helping people with their resumes. Take a minute and think about what you're naturally good at or what people already ask you for help with. That's your starting point. It doesn't have to be a groundbreaking invention. It just needs to solve a problem for someone. Second, you need your first customer. Just one. Not 100, not 1,000. Just one single person who is willing to pay you for your skill. This is where people get stuck, but it's easier than you think. Post on your personal social media accounts. Tell your friends and family what you're offering. Go into Facebook groups or online forums related to your skill and offer your services. The goal here isn't to build a massive client list overnight. It's to get that first yes. That one customer validates your idea and, more importantly, puts real money in your pocket. That's when your business becomes real. And the third, and arguably the most important thing, is taking action today. Not tomorrow, not next week, not when you feel ready. The perfect moment is a myth. It doesn't exist. Procrastination is the #1 killer of dreams. The difference between someone who has a business and someone who just has an idea is action. So here's a challenge for you, a 24-hour challenge to be exact. First, pick your skill. Just one, don't overthink it. Second, create a super simple offer. For example, I will write a 500-word blog post for $50. Or, I will organize your kitchen pantry for $100. Third, and this is the key, message 10 people who you think might need your help. You can do this right from your phone. No website is needed. No business cards. No fancy logo. Just you, your skill, and a direct message. That's all it takes to plant the seed. Remember, every single billion-dollar company you know and admire started small. They all started with one customer. Apple famously started in a garage. Amazon started by selling books out of a bedroom. They didn't wait for everything to be perfect. They just started. Your first customer is out there, waiting for you to solve their problem. You need to stop planning, stop overthinking, and start doing. Your journey of 1,000 miles begins with this single simple step. So, if you're ready to finally take the leap and start your business this week, I want you to comment "ready" down below. Let's make this happen together. And if you want more no-nonsense, real-world business advice that actually works, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Your future self will thank you for the action you take today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.